Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. What is this in my hand and what we call these items in English? हम इन आइटम्स को इंग्लिश में क्या कहेंगे? हम सबको ये तो पता है कि इन आइटम्स को हम किचन में यूज करते हैं. सो टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट 100 किचन आइटम्स इन इंग्लिश. आज हम 100 किचन आइटम्स को इंग्लिश में सीखेंगे. उनको इंग्लिश में हम क्या कहते हैं? सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. एप्रन, bakeware, baking sheet, banana slicer, beverage dispenser, blender, blender bottle, bottle opener, bread box, bread cutter, bread knife, bread maker, butter dish, butter knife, cake decorating set, cake pan, cake stand, can opener, carving board, carving knife, cheese board, cheese cloth, cheese grater, citrus juicer, coffee grinder, coffee maker, cookie cutter, cooking pot, cooking spoon, cookware set, corn peeler, counter, cupcake stand, deep fryer, deep dish pie pan, defrost tray, digital scale, dish brush, dish towel, dish rack, dish washer, egg beater, dough blender, dough hook, drink dispenser, electric can opener, electric grill, electric kettle, electric mixer, espresso cup, espresso maker, flatware, food chopper, food processor, food scale, food storage container, freezer, French press, fruit bowl, fruit peeler, frying pan, frying thermometer, garlic chopper, garlic press, glass measuring cup, griddle, grill brush, grill mat, grill pan, oil and vinegar dispenser, oven, pancake pan, pastry bag, pastry blender, pastry brush, pastry cutter, pepper grinder, pizza cutter, pizza oven, pizza pan, plate holder, popcorn maker, potato masher, pressure cooker, punch bowl, recipe box, refrigerator, rice cooker, roasting pan, rolling pin, salad chopper, salad dressing shaker, salt pig, sandwich cutter, sandwich maker, icing spatula, immersion blender, instant pot, jam maker, jar opener, juicer. So these are 100 kitchen items that we learned today in our video. For more interesting videos, please like, comment and share my video and subscribe my channel also. Thank you very much.